What's going on YouTube? This is DJ Kicks here coming at you with another video. Today we will be doing the first unboxing video of the Jordan 6 PSG that released last week. A little bit delayed, but I was able to scoop them up, so we will be doing the unboxing, first look of these shoes for myself, and doing a slight, detailed review on them. So without further ado, here's the video. I got the box right here. These are actually coming from Stockx. So I know some of you might be thinking, hey, they're still available on Nike. I will tell you a quick story about these. So the day of the release, so morning, it was last Saturday, 10 o'clock, I'm on sneakers, got everything set up, ready to go to, scoop up the pair. 10 o'clock hits, open the app, sneakers are available, hit my size, put in my payment information, all good. It says you're in line, you're waiting, and then not too long after that, I got a notification of an error. So I kept getting an error over and over and over again. Not sure what was going on. Actually received an email from Nike.com that the order went through my PayPal, but never received any kind of notification from Nike. So I look on there pretty much later in the day, and it says that the shoes had sold out. For some reason, it said sold out for me, but obviously that wasn't the reason, or actually, that wasn't the case, just because the shoes are actually still available. So for me, I looked on Stockx just to see what the prices were. I actually scooped these up for a few dollars under retail. With shipping, it kind of averaged it out to the same price. But then again, I didn't know at that time that Nike still had them until I actually put in my Stockx order and then looked on Nike sneakers, and they were actually still available. So kind of was just like a weird situation that happened. I probably should have checked Nike first. I thought they would sell out. They didn't. So I picked them up on Stockx. But without further ado, here's the unboxing. Opening these guys up. This is actually the first time I've used Stockx. I've not used Stockx before. Looks like, they have pretty good packaging, have bubble wrap in there. They're protecting the shoes, which I like. That's good. So bubble wrap all over. Take that out. And then here are the sneakers themselves. Take these guys out. Set these aside. Nothing else in the box. And then we have our Jordan 6 box here. So these are the Jordan 6 PSGs. Like I said, a little bit of a delayed unboxing on these guys, but it's pretty much, kind of a sucky situation, but turned out that I got them. So right here it says the Stockx, looks like it's the Stockx receipt for the PSG Jordan 6. Like I was saying, a few dollars at retail, but not that bad. So it's all good there. Here we have the Snacker Pick. Kind of like the little welcome card for Stockx signed by the CEO. I actually think he's no longer the CEO, but anyway, so it's the thing where you can, snap a pic, upload to Instagram, all that good stuff. And then here is the sneaker. So I'll kind of tilt these towards you guys a little bit. So come with a black tissue paper here. Got the shoes inside. And unwrap these. Oh, I forgot. So Stockx sends you some little stickers, which is kind of cool. So got some little stickers from Stockx. But then here we go. Here's the actual sneakers themselves. I'll pull them out. Sit the box to the side. And here we go. There they are. Bam. With the Stockx tag on the side, verified, authentic. These are the Jordan 6 PSGs. I would say at first glance, these are actually really dope, man. I mean, they are definitely what I thought they would be in hand. From pictures, I thought they would look, pretty decent, and they actually look a lot better in hand. I think with this, this black kind of like soft suede material mixed with the gray is definitely good in color blocking. And then, with the hits of the infrared, it's definitely awesome. It's a great sneaker. Go ahead and get you a little bit more of a closer up view of those. Bam. PSG in the back. And then I'll probably do some, just some B-roll shots of like overheads and, a little bit more viewing angles on these guys while I'm doing this. But, just to kind of give you just like my thoughts on Stockx themselves. Stockx was pretty good. I mean, I ordered them the night of the release, which was August 10th. Today is the 15th, so I got them within 5 days, which is pretty decent. It was actually pretty good. I mean, I got the shoes fairly quickly. I think August 22nd was like my estimated delivery date. which I thought was a little bit far out from being on the 10th. But they definitely overselled and underdelivered, or overselled and overdelivered, underselled and over delivered on the delivery date there. But yeah, I mean these shoes look dope, man. I just just at a first glance, these things are pretty sweet. I actually really love the smoked out look on the icy bottoms. I wouldn't call them icy bottoms, but the clear bottoms. The smoked out look is really cool. Plus, they're not going to be yellowing anytime soon. So really like that. Like I said, I'll get some more detailed shots of these guys for you, but just want to give you my first thoughts on the shoe. I'm gonna give these, pretty much. I mean, for me, I'm giving them like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. I mean, just for as far as it goes for me, I love sixes. Sixes in general are definitely dope shoes. With like the PSG logo on the back of these guys instead of the Jumpman, that's really cool. Like I said, I'm gonna give these like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. I would definitely highly recommend picking these up if you can. If you have, if there's availability in your size. Definitely worth the. I think definitely worth the price point. I mean, the suede on here is pretty buttery. I mean, it's got that ripple back and forth kind of feel to it. Definitely good quality. Smell pretty good. Yeah, man, I think these are great. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these, and I'll hit you with like an on foot and everything. But like I said, I just wanted to show you the unboxing. First look, and then my thoughts on StockX and how that everything works there. But go ahead and get you a little bit more detailed look here, and then we'll be back in just a few minutes. So the Air Jordan 6 Retro PSG features a mostly gray and black suede upper with hints of infrared on the tag near the pull tab, the tongue, the lace lock, as well as the bottom on the Jumpman. Taking an above look here at the shoes, you can see the infrared hits on the Jumpman on the tongue section, as well as the lace lock where it says Paris, and then the A75 on the back. With this view of the back of the shoe, you can see the Paris Saint-Germain logo instead of the normal traditional Jumpman on the back, along with a infrared tag on the pull tab with the words Paname on it. You can also see the hits of infrared in the inside of the tongue section with the multicolored gray and black as well. With the side view of the shoe, you can see the gray and black color blocking here with the hits of infrared popping out of the holes in the side here. You can also see the smoked out gray clear sole on the bottom part as well here on the side of the shoe. Taking a look here at the bottom of the shoe, you can see the translucent smoked clear sole with the hit of the infrared on the Jumpman, and then the mostly gray bottom part here on the outsole. Taking a little bit more detailed look here at the toe box of the suede, you can see this is a pretty premium feeling suede. You can see the brush strokes there where I brushed them back. Taking a look here as well as the tongue portion, you can see a little bit of a translucent part of the tongue. Going back here to the suede, you can see the black suede here on the side as well as the gray. Going back up to that other side with the translucent part on the tongue there. Taking a little bit more detailed look here at the Paris Saint-Germain logo here on the back, you can see that does replace the original Jumpman, and then also here the Paname infrared on the back clear pull tab. And then a little bit more closer look here of the tongue, you can see that infrared multicolor with black and gray on the inside of the translucent tongue, along with the words on the inside of the insole. Not exactly sure what they mean, but they are there. And that's going to wrap it up for the detailed look here. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to some on-foot shots so I can show you what they look like on feet. Alright, so that is going to wrap it up, guys. Got the Jordan 6 Retro PSG released on August 10th. Like I said, no, it's a little bit late, but kind of fouled up with the sneakers situation. But overall, I'm going to say that these are a great quality, great looking shoe. If you can, get these in your size, definitely scoop them up for sure. Like I said, definitely a great sneaker. I would, pretty much give these 8.5, 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend these guys. So if you want to, please leave a like on this video. Comment below your thoughts on the Jordan 6 PSG, if you would cop, if you would pass. And then, let me know for any ideas for any future videos. This has been the Jordan 6 PSG first look. We'll catch you next time here on DJ Kicks. Peace.